Hey there, Mary here from Mason Jar Lifestyle, and Catherine. Come pick an order with us. Let's go! As always, we start with a thank you note. This order is for Jennifer. Thanks so much for the order, Jennifer. We really hope you like it. Up first, we have one of our best-selling items, and that's our pour and store lids. We offer those in 5 colors: brick red, deep blue, gray, black, and leaf green. They're available in regular and wide mouth. They're available with a carrying loop or with a handle to turn any mason jar into a pitcher. They are infinitely useful and you're going to love them. Next, one of my favorite items are our silicone sleeves. We've got those in every size from 4 ounce to half gallon. Here you're going to see the half gallon sleeves. We have those in frost or charcoal gray. Jennifer got the charcoal gray. Here are some of our discontinued or limited edition colors. And we've got a quart sleeve in midnight blue. Up next, we've got one of our super popular items, especially in the summer, our cold brew filter kits. They come in pint, quart, or half gallon. They're made of a thick stainless steel mesh that's sturdy and easy to wash. They're super great. Jennifer got the half gallon. Next up, another one of my favorite items are silicone straw hole lids. We've got these in a rainbow of colors. Here's the bright blue. Jennifer also got wide mouth in black. Super cute. Love it. Next up is our wall of straws. We've got silicone straws, we've got glass straws, and we've got a lot of different metal straws. Boba straws, smoothie straws, thin bent, and our very popular safer rounded straws. Here's a long straw for quart or pint and a half jars, and the extra long for half gallons. Here's Jennifer's order, all picked and ready to go. Thanks so much for the order, Jennifer. We hope you like it. Can't wait to see how you're using all your mason jar goodies. If you want your order picked on TikTok, just leave us a note and let us know. Good work, kiddo. Thanks so much. Bye.